Hello there, this is the first of two much requested red lipstick videos from brands that launched late last year. Le Rouge de Paris is a beauty brand by Jeanne Damas, the quintessential Parisian dream girl, rarely seen without red or berry lipstick on, who has expanded her fashion line Rouge to include beauty. I love Jeanne's super minimal makeup style. I've featured her in a celebrity makeup bag video if you'd like to take a peek at some of the other products she uses, but now she has bottled the famous lip shades she's known for in her own line. The launch included 4 lipsticks and the same shades in a multi-use palette, which I didn't realise when I bought them, but they can be used in very different ways. So let's start with the palette. Les 4 Rouges, the Rouge 4. This is a cream palette that can be used on lips, cheeks and eyes. The first shade is a true bright red, a classic choice and a quick way to feel very put together. The second is a sophisticated and subtle brownie nude. The bottom left corner is a really deep, dark, brown-toned berry. And the last is a bold raspberry red that comes out a lot less dark than it looks in the pan. Best applied with fingers, these shades can be built up, but I love leaving them sheer, blurred and blotted. The benefit is you can mix colours and keep patting them on, maybe adding a darker shade to the centre of your lips for depth. I'm a huge fan of cream blushes, but the texture here is like a fairly matte lipstick in a pan. Not particularly lightweight, so on my skin it needs to go on immediately after moisturiser to make it easier to blend. On the eyes though, great. Having a bit more grip and a matte finish means it applies nicely and won't slip. The 3 darkest shades do read very red on the eyes, so the nude shade is my favourite. My dream kind of pinky brownie shade that gives your lid a natural looking shadow. Moving on to the lipsticks that mirror these shades in a more intense matte way. The first, Jeanne, is obviously inspired by the woman herself in a vibrant, rich red. This formula really is very matte, a little bit drying for me, so I need to apply a lip balm first, blot the balm off, then apply a bit more balm on top after the lipstick to make it more comfortable to wear. Number 2, Lamia, might be my favourite, a great dark brownie rose shade. That real raisin plummy sort of colour that Jeanne also wears quite a lot of. Particularly nice as a light layer blended out with lip balm. Number 3, Cami, looks like quite a dark brown berry in the bullet, but translates as more of a berry-toned red. It's quite a bit cooler and darker than the first true red. So let's do some colour matching with the palette to compare. The shades are incredibly close, so you don't need the lipstick bullets and the palette, but it depends how you prefer to use them. Do you want the intensity and highly pigmented finish that can only be achieved straight from the bullet, or do you like the slightly sheer stain-like look that you get from smudging the palette colours on? Same colours, just a different effect. One at full strength, another more toned down. In terms of packaging, these old Hollywood glam tubes have regularly been compared to Charlotte Tilbury's lipstick bullets. I guess they do have the same striped look going on, but what immediately sprang to mind for me was Estee Lauder's collaboration with Victoria Beckham from August 2016 and September 2017. Presenting one of each bullet here without comment, you can be the judge. But ultimately, aesthetic isn't a concern for me, functionality is. And unfortunately, a little alignment issue means all of my lipsticks have a little dent in the back caused by the lid. Not sure if I got unlucky here or if you've noticed that with yours too. Please let me know what you think. I'd love to hear if you're a Jeanne Damas fan who snapped these up as well, or if the brand is a new find for you. While they're not my favourite on the formula front, I do love the colours. Do I have others like this? Absolutely. But there's something so enticing about having your Parisian style icon's very same lip colour in your handbag so you can channel her effortless cool vibe and feel a little bit French wherever you are in the world. Un peu de rouge et voilà! Thanks for watching. See you next time.